breakdown for beginning a friend like me. Depending on which side you're taking, would just depend on which way you're turning, okay? So for the stage left folks, we still start on our right leg, step right, left, then lean forward, right, left, right, stand up again, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, step, turn right, left, right, up, down. For my stage right folks, we still start with that right leg. Step, right, left, right, left, right, step up straight, straight, bend, 1, 2, 3, one more time, 2, 1, 2, 3, step left, left, right, left, up, down. Okay, and at that point we're in our straight line center stage. We bounce. Well, Ali Baba, he had them 40 thieves, depending on which side you're on. You can step out with your like pirate face. Okay, something like looks like you're ready to fight. Okay. Well, Ali Baba, he had them 40 thieves. Scheherazade had 1,000 tails. Oh, master, you're in luck, 'cause up your sleeve, you got a brand of magic never fails. Then we move again. So you're gonna either step left or step right. I'll go stage left first. You got some power in your corner. Now some heavy ammunition in your camp. For stage right, we step open with the right, okay? Power in your corner. Now some heavy ammunition in your camp. Then we step everybody together. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Step, snap, step, snap, up, and fingers come down. So all together it's, you got some power in your corner now, some heavy ammunition in your camp. You got some punch, pizzazz, yeah, who and how. Say all you gotta do is rub that lamp, and I'll say, hands come here, step, touch, let me back up a little bit, and I'll say, right, step, out, sway, 2, 3, 4, touch, left, left, cross, over, never had a friend like me. Bend forward, no, 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 sway, 1, life is your restaurant, step and I'm your maitre d'. Lean left, come on, whisper what it is you want. You ain't never had a friend like me. Down. Okay, so we just jumped. Woo-woo. Down. So you're gonna step forward, circle the hands around. Pride ourselves on service. And then you're gonna turn and do it again. You're the boss, the king, the Shah. Then we're gonna slide, say what you wish, it's yours, true dish. How about step turn to the front, right, 2, 3, 4, then bounce with your hips counterclockwise, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me try and step back so you can see my feet pull shut. So this is never had a friend like me. Yes, sir. We pride ourselves on service. You're the boss, the king, the Shah. Say what you wish, it's yours. True dish, how about a little more baklava? 3, 4. Then we're step together to the right. Have some of column A, penguin walk to the left. Try all of column B. Right there. I'm in the mood to help you do. You ain't never had a friend like me. Ba-da, da-da, da. To the part that you already know. Now, this part, we're changing. You're gonna do still right, left, but the left foot goes behind. You're gonna turn counterclockwise. Turn, up, down, to make the feet more natural. Okay, again, that's right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, 2, 3, up, down. So again, you're turning over that left shoulder. Okay? Let's try that much with music.